Hey folks, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin, with another money making online video. Hold on. Stop. What's up, folks? This is Wesley, $1 billion Virgin, with another way to make money on the computer. Okay, make money online here. I'm going to show you live in this video here, okay, how to share a YouTube video and get paid money, okay? It's a brand new website, and I want you to pay attention, okay? Listen, disclaimer, this won't make you rich, okay? But it will create passive income as long as you do a few things. Turn off the TV, turn off the lights, focus on me, listen to every word that you listen. Oh God, listen to every word that I give you in this video here. And there's no reason why you can't make this type of money just by sharing a freaking YouTube video. That's like every day. Listen, guys, every day I am creating, okay, and discovering new ways to make money online for you. Easy ways that a dog can do it, okay? Even you can do it. Your mom can do it. Your baby can do it. Your baby daddy can do it. It's simple, but you have to pay attention. I'm going to show you this one time. I'm going to go very slow. I will suggest to take notes because it's simple to do, okay? I'm getting ready to turn my camera around. Let's go. All right, so check it out. If you're brand new to my channel, my name is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin here. And listen, I started from the outhouse to the penthouse. I was broke like everybody, right? Poor. I wasn't poor, but I'm a young black kid from the hood in Houston, Texas here. And I've learned how to make money online. And now I'm teaching you how to make money online for free. That means you don't have to invest any money. I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars to learn the knowledge that I have here today. And what I'm going to show you is probably the most easiest way to make money online, just by going to a video like this. Boom, you click on the freaking video, you go right here, you hit the share button, and you will get paid. And listen, I'm going to show you proof on how this works. I asked you to do a couple of things. Go ahead and like and sub to my YouTube channel, Wesley Virgin on YouTube, if you want more videos. Every day I upload a new way to make money online. Now listen, if you're lazy, if you're looking to make money and do nothing, leave the video. This is not for you, okay? I'm looking for the grinders. I'm looking for the entrepreneurs. I'm looking for the people who are tired of working the 9-to-5 job. And that's you. Pay attention, because I'm about to drop your freaking jaw, what you're going to see here, okay? It's a brand new site. First step is this, okay? Now listen, go ahead and smash the like button. You can tag a couple of people below and listen very close, because you don't want to miss a word, okay? If you're with me, the first thing I want everybody to do before I explain the technique, I give you the website and show you exactly what I am doing and other people are doing to make passive income by using this strategy, by sharing a YouTube video laying naked in your bed. You could be naked, no clothes on,